The Zodiac CX40 uses cutting-edge technology to bring you a simple and easy pool cleaning experience. With plug-and-play installation, your Zodiac is up and running in minutes and is the perfect fit for all shapes of in-ground pools. With the touch of a button, the Zodiac utilises gyroscopic navigation to clean pool floors, walls and water lines. Cyclonic power ensures the Zodiac is never without suction, utilising its easy-to-access and clean dual-filter 4-litre canister. Capable of collecting small and large debris, featuring dual-stage filtration at 150 and 60 microns, well above the industry standard, leaving you with crystal clear water like you've never seen before. The Zodiac CX40 is suitable for concrete, pebblecrete, quartzine, fiberglass, tiled and vinyl surfaces. The Zodiac CX range, so you can spend more time doing what really matters.